Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of M.G. Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Welcome to 11th Maths First. Topic number first, angle and its measurement. Exercise 1.1. Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of 11th Maths First. Student, in 11 we had started topic number first, angle and its measurement. In last video we had seen what is directed angle, what are the different types of angle, that is 0 degree angle, straight angle, right angle, such type of angle we had seen, co-terminal angles. These angles we had seen in the last video. That and also we had seen angles in quadrantal angles. In which quadrant the angle lies, we call it as quadrantal angles. Angles in axis, we had all these points covered in the last video. Now students, in this video we will see there are measures of angles. How to measure angles? See, we see the new points, measures of angles, measures of angles. Angles, we measure angle in two systems. First system is sexagesimal system, that is degree measure. First is the see, there are two names. Degree measures means sexagesimal. Sexagesimal system. We call it as degree measure. And second is the in terms of radian measure, means we call it as circular system. That is, we call it as radian measure. Okay, there are these two types of measures of angles are there. We can measure angle in degree and we can measure angle in radian. Okay, we see one by one. First we see sexagesimal system, means we measure angle in degree. How we measure angle in degree? See, in this system the unit of measurement of angle is degree. What is the unit of angle? Unit of angle is here degree. One rotation angle is divided into 360 equal parts. The measure of each part is called a 1 degree angle. बघा आपण कोणताही अँगल मोजताना बघा आपण काय करतोय, हा पूर्ण किती मध्ये रोटेशन होत आहे, 360 मध्ये होऊ शकतो. ओके, सो वन रोटेशन ऑफ अँगल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 360 पार्ट्स. ईच पार्ट ऑफ दिस सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड अ 1 डिग्री. એટલે प्रत्येक ईच पार्टला काय म्हणायचं आहे, 1 डिग्री असे म्हणायचं आहे. Therefore 1/136 part of one complete rotation is called a 1 degree. So how we define 1 degree? See, we define 1 degree as 1 degree we define as, first we see degree measure. One upon 360 part we call it as 1 degree. Okay, and 1 upon 16th part of 1 degree is called a 1 minute. 1 upon 16th part of degree we call it as 1 minute. We denote 1 minute by 1 dash. Okay, and so we write here, see, 1/16 part of 1 minute is called a 1 second. And see, 1/16 part of 1 minute. Here 1 degree, okay? 1 minute. We call it as 1 second. We denote by double dash. That is, we write 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. In this way we can write. Okay, understand? 1/13 is part of 1 rotation, 1 complete rotation. Here, part of 1 rotation. We call this as 1 degree. And 1/16 part of 1 degree is called a 1 minute. And 1/16 part of 1 minute is called a 1 second. That is, we write as 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay. So what is the measure of 1 complete rotation? 1 complete rotation is 360. Measure of straight line is 180. And measure of right angle is 90 degree. Okay. This is the degree measure. And what is the radian measure? In the radian measure, see, in this radian measure, how we measure the radian measure or circular system? Here, in the circular system, see, we denote this as 1 radian. Radian we denote by letter C here. Okay. Degree कसा आपण degree असेल तो जसं radian कसं लिहायचं 1 radian. Here this is the radius. Okay. This is called a 1 radian. 1 radian is the measure of an angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to radius. बघा, या आर्कचं मेजर काय पाहिजे? रेडियस एवढं असेल तर जो अँगल तयार होणार आहे ह्याला काय म्हणणार आहे आपण? 1 रेडियन असं म्हणणार आहे. ओके. इन दिस वे वी हॅड सीन मेजर ऑफ अँगल इन डिग्री मेजर अँड इन रेडियन मेजर. देन हाऊ टू कन्वर्ट मेजर इन डिग्री टू रेडियन and in radian to degree. For this you remember, to convert degree measure into radian measure, we multiply degree by pi by 180. बघा, डिग्री मधून आपल्याला कन्वर्जन करायचं आहे. डिग्रीतून रेडियन मध्ये कन्वर्जन करताना रेडियन मध्ये कन्वर्ट करताना काय करायचं बघा? टू कन्वर्ट डिग्री मेजर टू रेडियन मेजर, वी मल्टिप्लाय डिग्री मेजर बाय पाय बाय, वी मल्टिप्लाय डिग्री मेजर बाय पाय बाय 180. डिग्री मेजरला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे? पाय बाय 180 ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. आणि सेकंड, when to convert radian measure, to convert radian measure to degree measure, okay, we multiply radian by 180 by 5. You remember these two terms. First, to convert degree to radian, डिग्रीचं रेडियन मध्ये कन्वर्ट करताना काय करायचं आहे बघा? त्या डिग्रीला कितीने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे? पाय बाय 180 ने. आणि रेडियनचं डिग्री मध्ये कन्वर्ट करताना रेडियनला कितीने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे? 180 बाय पाय ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. ओके, अंडरस्टँड? नाउ वी विल सी एक्झाम्पल्स इन एक्सरसाइज 1.1. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सी स्टुडंट्स, इन द टेक्स्ट बुक सी exercise 1.1. Question number 1A is given. Determine which of the following pair of angles are coterminal. We have to find which pair of angles are coterminal. You had learned the definition of coterminal angle. कोटर्मिनल मध्ये काय आहे बघा, आपण कोटर्मिनलची डेफिनेशन बघितलेली आहे. असा अँगल असेल, हा अँगल काय होणार आहे, हा अँगल, आणि आपण इथून हा पूर्ण अँगल घेतला तर हा काय होणार आहे, कोटर्मिनल अँगल येणार. बघा पुन्हा एकदा सांगते, I repeat once again. Suppose this is angle of 30 degree. I had told you, and this is complete angle. Means this is 360 plus 30. 360 plus 30 means this is 390. When we say that these are the coterminal angles, if you subtract this 390 minus 30, that is we get 360. If it is multiple of 360, then we say that it is कोटर्मिनल अँगल. त्यासाठी आपण काय केलं बघा, मोठ्या अँगल मधून लहान अँगल काय करायचं, सबट्रॅक्ट केला. ओके, सो इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, question first A, we have to find, there are 6 examples given. We have to find which pair of angles are coterminal. Okay, I here solve only one or two examples. First is given 210 degree and minus 150 degree. Okay, so you will subtract 210 degree minus 150 degree is equal to 210 degree minus plus 250 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. So here difference is 360 degree, which is multiple here, which is multiple of 360 degree. हा 360 चा मल्टिपल आहे का, आहे. 360 च्या मल्टिपल मध्ये असणारा अँगल काय असतो, कोटर्मिनल अँगल असतो. Therefore the given pair of angles are coterminal angles. Coterminal angles. Okay. Similarly, I take one more example. See example which is not coterminal angle. I give the example number 5. Observe fifth example. What is given? 860 and 580. 860 degree and 580 degree. Here you subtract 860 degree minus 580 degree. You get here 280 degree. Is 280 degrees multiple of 360? No. It is not multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, given pair of angles is not coterminal angle. Okay, understand how to find this coterminal or not? Why I taken here multiple of 360? Understand? Because this angle and we take this complete angle, there is difference of 360 degree. So we take here subtraction and take multiple of 360. Okay. Now see, we see the next question number 1B. See question number 1A, remaining example you can solve yourself. Now see question number 1B, draw the angles of the following features and determine their quadrant. आपल्याला तो अँगल काढायचा आहे, अँगल ड्रॉ करायचा आहे आणि त्याचं क्वाड्रंट लिहायचं आहे. Here also there are 10 example given. I here solve only 2 or 3 example. See the first example is given minus 140 degree. We have to draw the angle, this angle, and we have to write which quadrant this angle is present. Student, observe here, this angle is given negative. I had told you in the first or second video, if the angle is positive, then it is anti-clockwise direction, and in clockwise direction angle is negative. Clockwise direction मध्ये angle काय आहे? Negative आहे, आणि anti-clockwise direction मध्ये positive आहे. So here negative angle is there. We draw first quadrant. You draw with the help of scale. Okay. You draw here first quadrant, x, x dash and y, y dash. 140 angle, it is negative. In this way, anti-clockwise it is positive, and in this way it is negative. Okay. So I want negative angle, and initial arc is on the positive x-axis. You know, directed angle चा initial arc कुठे असणार आहे? पॉझिटिव्ह एक्स ॲक्सिस वर. म्हणजे इथूनच सुरुवात करायची आहे. तुम्ही आयदर अँटी क्लॉकवाईज जावा किंवा क्लॉकवाईज जावा. आपल्याला स्टार्टिंग इथूनच करायची आहे. मग इथून स्टार्टिंग केल्यावर 140 कडे येईल. हा 90, इथून इथपर्यंत काय होणार आहे? 90, आणि इथून इथपर्यंत 180. म्हणजे इथं कुठेतरी तो अँगल येणार आहे. ओके. सो दिस अँगल लाईज 140 डिग्री अँगल. दिस इज द -140 degree. You draw with the help of protractor. Okay, understand? And which quadrant it lies? It lies in the third quadrant. The angle, the given angle lie in third quadrant. Okay. Next, I take one more example. See, next example is 750 degree. Fourth example, observe. 750 degree. How you draw 750 degree? First you draw x-axis and y-axis with the help of ruler, x dash and y dash. It is positive, so positive means in clockwise direction. It is 90, 180. Okay. Here 750 means, see, observe here. You write here as 360 plus 0 minus, correct, 7 minus 9. Okay, 1. Sorry, 4, 3. Okay, means here you can write 750. We can write as 2 times 360 plus 30 degree. Okay, 2 times 360 plus 30 degree. 2 times 360 means there is rotation, 2 times rotation, and then 30 degree we have to find. So we take here angle of, with the help of protractor, you draw angle of 30 degree here, and from this is 360, this is 720, and this angle, this whole angle is 750 degree. Okay, understand? The given angle lies in the first quadrant. The given angle lie in the first quadrant. Okay, बघा 360 पर्यंत असेल तर आपण लिहू शकतोय, पण 360 च्या पुढे गेला तर काय करायचं आहे? मल्टिप्लाय काय बघायचं. मल्टिपल असेल तर समजा 400 डिग्री असेल तर काय करणार आहे? 360 प्लस 40 करायचं. 750 असं काय केली? 360 into 2, 720 plus 30 degree. Why we take multiple of 360? Because there is one rotation is of 360 degree. So I have taken here one rotation, multiple of 360. Remaining examples in question number 1b you can solve yourself. Okay, student, now we will see question number 2 of exercise 1.1. Convert the following into radians. Here we had given 6 examples which are given in degree, and we have to convert this into radians. For converting degree to radian, I had told you, for converting degree to radian, we multiply that degree by pi by 180. Okay. So I here solve 2 or 3 examples. First example is given in the question number 2. First example is given 85 degree. We know that for converting degree, we multiply degree by how many? By for converting into radian, pi by 180. Then it becomes into radian. Okay. So here we write 85 degree is equal to 85 into pi by 180 radian. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 5 threes are 15, 5 sixes are 30. Okay. So we get the answer as 70 pi upon 36 radian. Means 85 degree is equal to 70 pi upon 36 radian. Okay. This is the formula for converting degree into radian. And radian into degree करना है तो अपन 180 upon pi ने multiply कर दो. Okay. Now we see one example of negative angle. Negative angle is same. Second example, or you may write third example. Minus 132 degree. Here also you apply the same formula. Minus 132 degree is equal to minus 132 into pi by 180 degree, 180 radian. Here you multiply by 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, we write minus 132 degree is equal to minus 11 pi upon 15 radian. We get the answer minus 11 pi upon 15 radian. Okay. Now student, see the 4th, 5th and 6th example which are given in degree and minute. Okay. I solve one example of 4th or 5th or 6th. See, we see example number 5th or last example I take here. Example number last 40 degree and 48 degree. First 3 examples are only in degree. So we convert by using this formula. Next 3 examples are given in degree and minute. So how we write? This is complete degree and here minute. We convert minute into degree. 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 16th part of degree. Okay. We know. See here. We write 1 degree is equal to 1 upon. We write 1 degree. Sorry, 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 1/16 part of degree. Okay. So we write here 40 degree 48 minute is equal to 40 degree. 1 minute is equal to plus 1 minute means 1 upon 60 degree. So here 48 degree means 48 upon 60. 48 upon 60. Okay. This is converted into degree. Understand? 1 मिनिटाची व्हॅल्यू दिली आहे 1 upon 60 डिग्री. मग 48 मिनिटाची व्हॅल्यू काय येणार आहे 48 upon 60 डिग्री. You multiply here 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are, that is 40 degree. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 upon 4 upon 5 degree. 40 plus 4 upon 5 degree. So you write here 40 plus 4 upon 5 degree. Take LCM. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20 plus 4, that is 204 upon 5 degree. So we write 40 degree into 48 minute is equal to 204 upon 5 degree. Okay. Now here it becomes in terms of degree, but we have to convert this into radian again. So here you multiply by pi by 180. So this is equal to 204 upon 5 into pi upon 180 radian. Okay. Here 4 4 are 16, 4 5 are 20, 4 5 are 20, 4 1 are 4, 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15, 3 1 are 3, 3 7 are. Okay. So we get 40 degree 48 minute is equal to 70 pi upon 15 5 are 75 radian. Last answer we get 40 degree 48 minute is equal to 70 pi upon 75 radian. Okay, these two examples are easy, but here first this is in degree. We have to make minute into degree. How we make minute into degree? 1 minute is equal to 160 degree. So we write 40 as it is. 48 minute means 48 upon 60 degree. 40 upon 4 upon 5 degree. Now you simplify, you get in degree. Again you convert degree to radian by multiplying pi by 180. So final answer we get. Okay. See student, question number 3. Convert the following angles into degree. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 मध्ये काय होतं, डिग्रीचं आपण रेडियन मध्ये कन्वर्ट केलं होतं. आता क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 काय आहे, रेडियनचं डिग्री मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे. मग रेडियनचं डिग्री मध्ये कन्वर्ट करताना आपण काय करणार आहे बघा. रेडियनचं डिग्री मध्ये कन्वर्ट करताना आपण मल्टिप्लाय कशाने करणार आहे, 180 बाय पाय ने करणार आहे. आणि डिग्रीचं रेडियन मध्ये करताना पाय बाय 180 ने केलं होतं. ओके. सी आय टेक 2 examples. First is given 7 pi by 12 radian. We have to convert this into degree. We know that the formula. We know that theta radian is equal to theta into, for converting degree to radian we multiply by pi by 180. Here we multiply by 180 by 5 degree. Okay. Therefore we get 7 pi by 12 radian is equal to 7 pi by 12 into 180 upon 5, which is converted into degree. Pi get cancelled. 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. Therefore we get 7 pi by 12 radian is equal to 105 degree. Okay. Understand? Similarly, there are 5 examples. I take last one example. What is the last example? 5th, minus 1 upon 4 radian. Okay. You use this formula. Minus 1 upon 4 radian is equal to minus 1 upon 4 into 180 upon 5 degree. Okay. So what is it? 4 4 are 16, 4 5 are 25. Minus 45 upon pi degree. You write in this way. Okay. This is the final answer. So students, in this video we had seen how to measure the angle in 2 ways. Sexagesimal system and second is the second system we had seen. First is the sexagesimal system and second is the circular system. That is, we called it as degree measure and radian measure. And we had seen how to convert degree into radian and radian into degree. Also, we had completed question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 1.2. So, your today's homework is write the concept of converting degree to radian and radian to degree in your notebook, and also solve question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 1.1. Remaining examples we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.